here?
So here we are looking for the wooden bookshelf. So this wooden bookshelf, which is about 57 meter long and 11 meter high, and also in this wooden bookshelf, it contains or it includes more than 10,000 scriptures. Among them, the most precious is Buddhi Gamalung, which records the Tibetan religious history, literature, philosophy, logic, Tibetan agriculture and animal husbandry. And also the most important thing here in this wooden bookshelf is the 21 volumes of sutras. And so these all the sutras were written on a patralic in Sanskrit. So they were the most important or the most precious sutras in the world. So
these sutras, are they translated to Tibetan?
Yes.
And the ones here are translated?
Yes.
Also written on the Patra leaf? Patra leaf.
Yeah.
Oh, it's quite amazing. And this, by the way, is